You may have seen the interview with Elon Musk on the importance of product design and manufacturing. It's an evergreen video going around on LinkedIn and other social media channels. In that video, Elon Musk claims that many people consider product design the most prestigious and the most important challenge, while the role of manufacturing and production planning is supposed to be underrated. Do you think this is true? When we talk about the automotive business, then yes, clearly the design of cars is important, and good design helps to sell cars. However, OEMs need to earn money with the cars they sell. If you sell a lot of cars and you lose money on each car you sell, you will probably not go far, even if you have a lot of venture capital backing you. But in the end, the important question is, how profitable are your operations and where is your break-even point? And that's where the cost of operations and manufacturing play an important role. If you don't succeed building an efficient production system and to develop vehicles which can be produced efficiently, you are going to lose your profitability and go out of business, no matter what your design. And Elon Musk realized that very early on and hired for Tesla experienced production professionals. You need to engineer your production to be very efficient. That means without any downtimes, without any scrap, without any reworked parts, fixing stations, or other profitability killers. And you need to achieve a rapid production ramp-up with a minimum of physical trials and iteration loops. So, while it may be true that manufacturing is underrated because most of it goes on behind closed doors, it's undisputably key to overall profitability and economic survival in a highly competitive environment. Automotive OEMs are now recognizing that the systematic digitalization of their industrialization process chain is the only strategy to achieve significant cost and especially time savings of 20, 30 or more percent. In the area of sheet metal engineering involving tooling, stamping, and body and white assembly, AutoForm is a highly competent partner for the full digitalization of this entire process chain, providing everything from ROI and business case analysis to the deployment of digital twin methodologies and products to achieve your digitalization goals. We know how to identify profitability killers, how to quantify improvement potentials, and which digital twin methodologies you need to deploy to achieve the intended savings. To find out more on this topic, please check out my white paper on formingworld.com. And remember, simulate what can be built and build what has been simulated.